Hi everyone, this quick hit video is designed to show you how to use the royalty-free high-resolution image feature built within the Postalytics editor. In order to access these royalty-free images from our partner Unsplash, you start by clicking on the template properties, and here in the background image section of the front template settings, we're going to click on search for images. And so you can see here I have typed in kitten. If I wanted to select say this guy, I click, and the image URL is then loaded here into the background image. Now let's go to the back of the postcard, and I can move down to the back template settings, click search again, and instead of kitten, let's say people. So this will comb through hundreds, over 200,000 actually, high-resolution images. And so you can search on any term, and then you can scroll and find an image that you like. And let's say you may want to download it first in order to modify the image somewhat. You can click then on preview and the download button. And then you can download it, overlay any additional graphics that you may want to do, modify the image anyway. I'm just going to click select here and drop this guy in the back of the postcard. And once you've got an image there, you can see that it is loaded with a background image URL. It's easy to remove and change your mind. Just click remove. And I'll go to the front and click remove. Very simple. Great feature, built-in, royalty-free images that are high resolution from our partner Unsplash. Thanks.